Hello, what is up? Furu here, and we just got something ready to be unboxed. We just got our hands on this new gear that will fit my needs in the next few years. Let's just be careful not to cut the box itself. So this is it, the Anker 737 Powerbank, also known as the PowerCore 24K, which boasts a high-speed input and output of 140 watts. My primary purpose for buying this power bank is to quickly charge my laptop and my smartphones as well. This will also be perfect as a travel charger since this is 86.4 Watt-hour and most airlines impose a limit of 100 Watt-hour. First time powering the device, it shows a shipped power of 25% and I have double-clicked the button which accidentally triggered trickle charging. The power bank weighs 629 grams. Now let's check the other things that come in the box. Here we see that it comes with its own pouch. The pouch holds included USB-C cable. Other stuff that comes along with it is the quick start guide, which shows you the features such as trickle charging, a display panel, and how to charge your devices. There's also this multilingual manual that I never really bothered with. The quick start guide is enough. Here are the ports of the power bank. So we have a USB-A port and two USB-C ports, one of which is an in-out and the other being an out only. This power bank can actually adjust to your orientation to fit your needs, so if you move it around, the display will adjust accordingly. Did you know that if you connect the power bank to itself, it will show you something like a sweating face? To charge this power bank, simply connect the USB cable to the in-out port and connect it to your wall charger. You should know that it's charging if you see the green lighting and the green colored box here. If you decide to use this port as a charging port, just connect it to any device and it should show a blue arrow and a blue colored box. Now let's test some of my devices by charging all of them at the same time. Do take note that once you connect another device while a device is already connected, the power bank will disconnect and operate again, which is completely normal. First, we charge our low battery Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And when I connect it using the provided USB-C cable, it gives us super fast charging 2.0, peaking at about 24.6 watts. Next, we connect our MacBook Pro M1 14-inch 2021 model using our Anker Marble Edition and it peaks at 59.4 watts. Finally, we use the USB-A port to charge our iPhone 6s. Connecting it gives us a big charge of 6.5 watts. I tried a final experiment. I only connected the laptop using the provided USB-C cable and it gave us a maximum of 88.8 watts but stabilized at an average of 70 watts. Not bad. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my simple unboxing and testing of the Anker 737 power bank.